Bro, do you know someone who understands English but is too scared to speak?
Honestly, that used to be me.
Wait, you? But now you speak so confidently.
Yeah, but you won't believe what happened that changed everything. Back then, every time I tried to speak English, people laughed.
That's the worst feeling.
Yeah, my words would get stuck, my hands would shake, and slowly I just stopped trying.
So you understood English but couldn't speak.
Exactly. It felt like my mind was full, but my mouth was locked. One day in class, the teacher asked me a simple question in English.
Let me guess, you knew the answer?
100%, but I stayed silent.
That hurts.
That day, I told myself, English is not for me.
So what changed?
One night, I saw a video of a guy speaking broken English but confidently.
Broken English and still confident?
Yes, and people were respecting him, not laughing.
That's powerful.
That's when I realized fluency is not about perfect grammar. It's about confidence.
So what did you do next?
I started one simple habit,
What?
talking to myself in English every single day.
Wait, you talked to yourself?
Yeah, in front of a mirror, while walking, even in my room.
That sounds funny, but kind of smart.
At first, it felt weird. I made mistakes, a lot of mistakes.
Didn't that bother you?
Not anymore, because no one was there to judge me. After a few weeks, something changed.
What?
Words started coming naturally. I didn't have to translate in my mind anymore.
That's the dream.
Then, one day, I spoke in front of people,
And
and no one laughed.
seriously?
Yeah, in fact, they listened. The same people who once laughed were now surprised.
That must feel amazing.
It did, but the biggest win was this.
What?
I wasn't afraid anymore.
So what's the lesson here?
You don't need perfect English to start speaking. You just need courage and daily practice.
That's deep.
If you're waiting to be perfect, you'll never start.
So guys, if you're scared to speak English,
Start today, even if it's just talking to yourself.
and don't forget,
Practice makes confidence.
if you liked this story, subscribe for more English learning videos.